Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing NCT 127's Cherry Bomb. I have 3 copies, as you can see. I had originally only bought 2 copies because I collect both Taeyong and Winwin in NCT 127, but I couldn't resist buying another one. I don't know why. I can never resist buying NCT 127 albums. I think I bought Limitless like 5 times because of the postcards. And the postcards are so hard to find for Limitless. I'm still looking for Win-Win, so if like anyone has Win-Wins, please let me know. But yeah, anyway, on to Cherry Bomb. The size of this album is definitely easier to store than Limitless. It's kind of more like the NCT 127, the debut one, but I think it's a little bit bigger. But the photo book looks so thick. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Anyway, here is the track listing, and there are 7 tracks on here. They are Cherry Bomb, the title track, Running to You, 0 Mile, Sun and Moon, Whiplash, Summer 127, and Cherry Bomb, the performance version. Honestly, I like Cherry Bomb. I like Cherry Bomb a lot, but when I first heard it, I was kind of unsure about it. But the more that I listen to it, the more it gets stuck in your head. Like, after a while, you're just like singing I'm the biggest hit on the stage, like over and over again. So, yeah, I really do like Cherry Bomb. I don't love it as much as Limitless, but Limitless is like my everything. That entire album is my everything. So, it was always going to be really hard to beat. That being said, I really like Sun and Moon, I think, the most in this. It's my favorite. But I also like Cherry Bomb, and I think Running to You probably are my second favorites. So, yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay, so this is the cover. Aesthetically, I love it. Like, visually, it's just really, really pretty. And, like, the character, like the, what do you call it? Like, 8-bit kind of characters. Like the teasers were really cute. Okay, I'm just taking out everything that's in there, hopefully. So this is the CD. Like SM have been doing this, like doing kind of a very similar sort of vibe with a lot of the comebacks lately. Like these characters, they're like the cutest. I love it so much. I'm gonna try listing again. It's so weird and artsy and like creative, and I love. Is this the poster? I think they have 2 posters for this. Taeyong's pink hair is, oh my god, everything in the world I have ever wanted. Even seeing this, it's stuck in my head already. And they finally won with Cherry Bomb, like 1271, which makes me really, really happy as well, of course, because, yeah, they worked hard for it. I really love the colors, like this, the pink and, it's very, very visually appealing. Win-win. Ugh, he's so, look at his face. I can't even, like, deal. Utah. Oh my god, this picture of Utah. Oh my god. Like, whenever I watch the music video, it's always like, I feel like I keep watching Utah. Oh my god. The pink hair. The pink hair. I think I just love whenever my faves dye their hair pink. I don't know. But yeah, honestly, Yuta and like Hichan are the two that they're not even my biases, but they're the ones that I always watch. This concept has been amazing for them, like, style-wise. I was so happy when they announced this. Utah, like, how and why? I was so happy when they announced this comeback because I have been waiting since I got into them. I think right after Limitless era was when I got into them, and then I was just like in love with them. So I was really hoping they were going to have another 127 comeback. And though I would love a dream one as well, that would probably leave Mark and Hichan like no time to rest, and that would be awful. So yeah. I can never get enough NCT, so even a U one I would be really happy with, especially with if 10 can participate in it, because I miss him. I'm also really excited about Mark and Xiumin's collab together. Oh my gosh. Hichan, can we just appreciate? He's so pretty. I think the other poster is either this picture or very similar to that picture. This hair looks so good on him. There's a really good picture of Jaehyun. Oh, that reminds me of Fire Truck. And then lyrics. Yeah. Sorry, I was trying to read. Oh, I love how they have them in English, Japanese, and Chinese. That's really cute. Truly international. And then credits. And yeah, that's it. So it is quite a thick photo book. I kind of would love if the album itself were a bit bigger, because I would love like full-sized photos of this, like a proper real big photo book. But either way, I'm pretty happy. I love this style for them. Anyway, it does come with stuff, so you have your usual like SM ad thing. Okay. And then of course the genie card. Okay, and so for the photo card for this one, I got Haechan. Speaking of like beautiful, beautiful. I feel like I pull Haechan quite often, but like he's so pretty. On these cards are really pretty, and I'd love to collect them all, but I'm like, I have to focus on Taeyong and Winwin, so I'm putting Haechan up for trade or sale. I'm going to go through the other two albums now as well, so. Okay. Right, I'll flip through for the photo card. Okay, for this one, I pulled Haechan as well, so again, up for trade or sale. Yeah, there's nothing else in there except the same things, of course. And then for the last one, which is not, oh, here we go. Are you serious? I pulled Haechan again. So this is like mock. This is legitimately like mock all over again. During my Limitless unboxing, all three of mine I pulled mock. I don't know. So now it's Haechan. For some reason it's Maknae line. So yeah, I have 3 Haechans. I'm putting them all up for a trade or sale. And the members I collect are Taeyong and Winwin, my biases. So if anyone is like looking to trade and wants Haechan or like to buy whatever, then please let me know, because you know I have 3 of them. 3 of them. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm really excited for more NCT comebacks in the future, especially from like other units and stuff, because you know, I get that like SM at this point in time are trying to establish, you know, the units already, but I am excited for like new units, especially with some of the other SM rookies that haven't been put in NCT yet. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.